everybody, my name is Jess and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install mini decorative strap connectors, which are beginner friendly and add an elegant touch to your handmade bags. First of all, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. If you're new to sewing or like sewing fashion-forward bags, our YouTube channel is a great resource to help you create confidently. Strap connectors are a unique piece of hardware that are used to attach straps to your handmade bag projects. They are much more durable than adding a fabric strap connector, plus they're a simple way to elevate the look of your handmade bags. This hardware works beautifully on purses made from quilt weight cotton, cork fabric, vinyl, canvas, and other bag making materials. You will want to make sure to properly interface and stabilize your bag before and after inserting this hardware. In addition to using chain strap, these strap connectors also accommodate a 1/2 inch wide purse straps made from your chosen material. Our mini strap connectors come in a variety of finishes to coordinate with your project. You can choose from nickel, gold, antique brass, gunmetal, and rose gold. These strap connectors are featured on a variety of our patterns, including the Gigi handbag, the Bella wallet, and the Cosplay Accessories belt phone pouch. Otherwise, you can use them in place of any fabric strap connector on other bags, including zippy crossbody bags and our Tiffany handbag. So grab some permanent glue, a screwdriver, and your mini strap connectors, and let's get started on the tutorial. For today, I'll be showing how to install this hardware on the phone pouch, which is included in our Cosplay Accessories belt pattern. You'll want to install one mini decorative strap connector centered near the top edge of each exterior side according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then you can attach the strap chain by clipping one hook to each D-ring of the connectors. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install this hardware, and if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below and we'll be there to help. We would love to see your hardware. Share and show off your photos of your decorative strap connectors using the hashtag SallieTomato on social media so we can see it. We would love to see your style. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our pattern line for more creative projects. See you next time.